Thiruvan Saranai. Today I thought that I will speak a few words in English as to the present context in the environment of the coronavirus. I thought the Dhamma, how the Dhamma applies into situation of this nature should also be expounded. When it comes to Anicca, Dukkha and Anatma, the three Lakshana, it shows that there is always uncertainty. And that when you say Anitya, there is always change. So this present situation also should change, and it will and it shall change. And Anatma shows that there is no controlling effect by any part who can control this situation by application of other methods, such as recitation of different incantations, you applying certain methods thinking that you can ward off this particular thing, the COVID virus, because you have to take reality as it is. When it takes Anitya, Dukkha is always the change will give you unsatisfactoriness, or we call it as suffering. And so Anitya, Dukkha, Anatma is what shows that you have no control over the present subject, but it always changes for the betterment. So no outside force can control yourself, or you cannot control what is happening, but you can always take precautions, and you can ward, or you can seek refuge in the Dhamma. And for that, what you require is, as it's shown in the Dhamma, mindfulness is the number one criteria. So it shows Shraddha, Virya. That is the effort that you require. With along with mindfulness, you need effort. And with effort, what you require is Shraddha, Sati, Virya, Samadhi and Prajna. These are the ones that you want. You have to somehow instill it in yourself and make them the powers that you need to ward off such a situation. And when you take the 5 of these factors, the importance of it is that the effort is required. You have to act with wisdom, you have to act with restraint, and this will give you sufficient amount of ability, or what you call courage, to withstand the present situation. Now when it comes to Buddha and his teachings, this is the first time, I think, in the history one can see how the Buddha had touched on the sense bases, the eyes, the tongue, the ears, the contact, and then you see the factors such as the consciousness. So when you call all these things the sense bases, how it reacts to the present situations. And these are the very features now you are trying to today to assimilate and to bring about, asking people to be aware of. So things, when you are aware, you know how you should restrain yourself. Now today, in present context, you see with your eyes, you hear with your ears, you taste with your tongue, then you have your bodily feelings, and then you have your mind, the consciousness. Now these are the factors, very factors that is in this fathom-long body, which will propel you to ward off and to think and synchronize with a situation where you will be able to overcome any adversity. For example, if you take washing your hands, and that is what it is, the awareness. You have to be aware that you have to wash your hands in this manner, and you have mindfulness, and then how you should react with your sense bases, not to touch your eyes, not to touch your nose, not to touch your mouth. These are the very factors that Buddha had also said as sense bases, which gives you craving. Now these are the things that you have to control or restrain yourself. And with all that, I think this short message, what I want to instill in everyone, in all communities and in every one of you, is that, as I said before, Anicca, Dukkha, Anatma is the main focus that one used to have. But you should know as to how you have to face the change. The face the change is between the 5 things that I spoke to you about. That is what the Buddha has expounded. That is Shraddha, Virya, Sati, Samadhi and Prajna. These are the ones that will allow you to assail over all these problems. And with that, I think this coronavirus, a virus which is also subject to change, we can overcome. Virus changes. You have talked about the virus, you have talked about its mutation and how it can happen all throughout the centuries. We can overcome this with this little message, what I have told you, if we follow it in the correct light. Thank you, Thiruvan.